Welcome to Mapplanner. In this video, we will see how to create and manage markers. We will start by creating a new floor so that you can see how to manage markers on different levels. This plan only has one floor, so we will load the same image for both heights as a test. From the Markers panel, select the second floor and create a new marker. See how by selecting a floor, you can view and edit its corresponding markers. Let's go back to the original level of this floor plan. You can duplicate any marker from the list. This will be very useful for markers with similar content or shapes. In this case, having the same shape, we can drag the marker and simply change its name and image. Create a new area marker, and you will see how to create and modify more complex shapes. Notice how in the list of markers you can see a notification for those that have not yet been placed on the floor plan. Press Now on the plan to start your shape. You can drag the nodes to achieve the shape you need. Create new nodes by clicking on the lines, and if you have a node selected, you can delete it by pressing the Delete key. Let's now go for an icon or image type marker. Create a new marker. Give it a name and select the image type. You will see a button to select your image from the file manager. Choose or upload your image for this icon and click on the plan to place it. Drag it and resize it as you wish. Complete the information for the marker and see how it looks in the preview. The look of this panel is not the best, right? Check the template video tutorial to see how we will fix it.